Factoring on the go has never been easier, and with the Truckstop Go mobile app, carriers get paid faster. Head on over to the App Store to download Truckstop Go and log in with the same email and password you use for the load board. When you open the Truckstop Go app, click on the hamburger button in the top left and then Factoring. Here you can view your account history and monthly summary, check broker factorability by their MC number or name, request field advances, and of course, factor a load and get paid. Factoring a load is quick and easy. Input the broker's name, the load number, the total pay from the broker, and the deductions. Next, we'll need the signed rate confirmation, signed BOL or proof of delivery, and any other supporting documents. There are two ways to attach these. Do you have these documents right in front of you? Let's snap a photo from your phone using Capture Assist technology. If you don't have these required documents readily available, that's not a problem. You can attach a file or photo from your phone. Once you have attached everything, press Submit in the top right. An email will automatically generate with your attachments included, and if everything looks correct, you can send the email.